on that chart there on Tesla, would that be reverse of what you were teaching us this morning? Because it's on a sell on the pre-market versus a buy on the pre-market. So will we use what you taught us this morning in reverse or no?
Oh, you're talking about the sell-off?
Yeah, I didn't want to blurt it all out there, but yeah.
No. Yeah, it's fine. Yes, if it leads down to the bell, right? Most likely it's not going to then, it can still pull back because remember, it's up of 1.5%, right? That's a lot. So you could have some sell off, but if it leads like this into this bell area, you're going to see a massive sell off. This one just might be a smaller sell off before it tries to find bottom in reverse, right?
Yeah, because it's channeling in the pre-market versus the sell-off at the top up there.
Correct. And it's not doing this because this right here is the bell, by the way. So it's not driving super hard to the upside, which would indicate massive sell. If it's slowly inside of here, well, then you're probably going to get a slow sell off. But again, a lot of it has to do with this right here. This was up 20%. It would still go just like this, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, because everybody wants to make their money. They want to collect. So anytime you see green pre-market, they want to collect from the day before. So always look for that pullback. This is why when you get really good, this is why if you guys weren't in the room with me, there's no way in hell I'd have to trade after the first 9 minutes. There's not one bit of trading I would have to do after the first 9 minutes of the day. No way in hell. By 9:39, I am done every single day. And I move on and I'm out of here. A couple $1,000 done because of the volatility at the open.